One of the biggest issues is that so many people aren't aware that bodily injury isn't required in Florida. And because of that, they don't know that they need to take these additional steps to get a policy of their own that might provide them the coverage to, take care of them in that situation if they are injured by an at-fault driver with no bodily injury coverage.
Yeah, I always recommend get as much as you possibly can.
Exactly.
As much as you can afford. Stack it. Stack it means if you have 2 cars, it doubles whatever you bought for 1 car, as long as they're both on the policy. And I think that's the safest way to go. That's what we do.
I agree.
Is to try to stack it and keep as much as you can, because I've had people who had horrible injuries, and if it wasn't for that fact that they had stacking, and one lady had stacking, and I think it was 250 or $1 million or something like that. I can't remember what it was, what the total amount ended up being, but she had like ×4. So she ended up having enough to cover, but enough to get her along, and then the other party actually did have BI. But I mean, she needed that money because other people didn't have enough.